to sort of start and give an introduction to Kali and Kali DAO, a bit of background I think is important. So myself and the team that built Kali DAO, we're all full stack developers, but we're also lawyers. So an issue that we saw in the space and sort of initial pitch to join the C Club Accelerator was, can we reduce transaction costs? Can we create sort of a Stripe Atlas for DAOs? A lot of the red tape and sort of the problems I saw for people that had very promising ideas and exciting projects to launch in Web3 was the sense of legal red tape. So with Kali DAO and sort of the project that, spun off of Flex DAO in the open law community was, an idea, can we not only create good DAO smart contracts, based on well-tested frameworks such as Moloch DAO and Compound, but can we also streamline the creation of legal entities and to also provide a community of legal engineers and lawyers to support founders along the way on their journey to, launching their ideas, raising money, and basically, like I said, creating the user experience of Stripe Atlas, but for Web3. I'm pleased to, say that, C Club has helped us, not only launch it into the community, but also given us sort of the background of supporters and early beta testers to launch our app on app.kalidao.xyz. Using our app, you can create a DAO, you can launch a tokenized community as an ERC20 token. You can control a treasury of assets, NFTs, other collectibles, but you can also do compliant fundraising. So that's another issue that we sort of saw as lawyers, through LexDAO and sort of our work was a lot of people had good ideas, but unfortunately, the shadow cast by the American legal system is that many promising investments, a lot of Web3 projects might be issuing security instruments that need to be registered. So what we've built is not only a platform to launch groups and tokens and DAOs, but also to whitelist, to have a community of lawyers and engineers advise on your fundraising, but then to fund your DAO using Kali DAO tokens and to control basically the path from origination of the DAO to then having an exit to community, a fair launch. One of the great thinkers in the space, Balaji Srinivasan, also has this really great concept of mirror tables. So mirror tables are basically the representation of a cap table. So company ownership, equity, but also using Web3 and smart contracts to sort of represent the ownership of an idea or a project, an NFT or any other sort of Web3 asset on chain. So our legal engineers, so LexDAO, our Kali devs, like I said, lawyers that are full stack, have built an easy way to create these mirror tables, these cap tables as a DAO. Kind of our positioning in the space and something that I think is interesting is we believe in, crypto and Web3 as a sort of sovereign technology. We think true ownership of not only your ideas, but, of the tokens, of your earnings is a vital aspect of Web3. So we've built from the ground up, not only the smart contracts, but legal agreements that sort of defer to code as law. So when you launch with Kali DAO, you can create an LLC, you can create a nonprofit association, and what is actually in the agreements points to the smart contracts and sort of the DAO members as the true key holders and owners of these ideas and of their projects. So we're long bullish on DAOs, we're long bullish on tokenized communities and Web3. As lawyers, I think we can help cut a lot of the red tape that people see. Sort of as background to why we call it Kali DAO, we are a friendly fork of the Moloch DAO framework. Like I said, we don't want to reinvent the wheel. We want to use battle-tested smart contracts, battle-tested ideas from crypto lawyers, such as LLC DAOs and UNAs, and then sort of slay the demons, from the sense of Kali slaying demons in Indic mythology to sort of make people's lives easier and allow Web3 to sort of eat the world. So like I said, we're bullish Web3, but we're also bullish on firing lawyers, and I know it's a weird concept to say as someone who is a corporate attorney, but, since joining the space, I've gone full-time degen. I'm here to help communities like CDAO, other fellow founders of Web3, sort of eliminate lawyer extractable value, limit their liability, fundraise, do anything they want to do as a group, and sort of actually achieve something together without having lawyers say no. So that's kind of the journey of Kali. Since we've launched in the last 2 months, we've had more than 100 DAOs launch and deploy using our software. We have several LLCs and nonprofit associations using Kali technology to protect the DAO members from normal legal liabilities, paying contractors and all that fun stuff. And looking to the future, we want to support basically every crypto-friendly jurisdiction. We've already added Swiss Marine, There's other jurisdictions we're looking at, such as Singapore, Cayman Islands, Panama, and basically we're an open door. I think people have linked our Discord, our Twitter. Just ping us. Let us know what you guys want to see. Let us know what legal issues you're experiencing as a DAO, and we're here to help. We don't think it's necessary to, launch our DAOs with legal entities, but we sort of see it as, frosting on top, that you can sort of have it both ways. You can have a full featured sort of Web3 lifestyle. You can basically live on chain using sort of the technology we're building. So here to help. It's been a blast being in the Seed Club Accelerator. We're looking to expand the team as well, hire designers and backend developers. Please join our Discord. Let us know what you're looking for. And more importantly, try out the app. Like I said, we've been live for 2 months in production. You can launch on Ethereum, you can launch on Arbitrum, and you can launch a legal DAO in just like 60 seconds. And that's not just like me pitching. That's reality. And we have several demos. I think we also linked in here. So like I said, thanks, Jess. Thanks, everyone, for all the help. And yeah, let's go far together.